In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a project plan in Smartsheet using templates so you can get started quickly without building everything from scratch. Begin on the Smartsheet homepage and click the plus button to create something new. From the menu, select Template, then choose View All Templates to open the template gallery. In the search bar, type Project Plan or Plan to browse available templates. Smartsheet offers a variety of options including simple project plans, task trackers, and Gantt chart templates. Once you find a template that fits your project, click on it to view the preview. If it looks right, select Create from Template. Smartsheet will add the template to your workspace and open it automatically. Now you can customize the project plan to match your needs. Update the project name, edit task lists, assign team members, adjust dates, and add any additional columns you need, such as priority, status, or budget. Templates provide a ready-made structure, helping you organize tasks, timelines, and responsibilities much faster than starting with a blank sheet. After making your changes, save your project plan and begin tracking your work directly in Smartsheet. That's how to create a project plan in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.